Someone came knocking at my small door. Someone came knocking. I am sure. I listened. I opened. I looked to left and right, but oh, there was a string. In the still dark night, only the busy battle, tapping in the wall. Only from the forest, the scratch owl's call. Only the cricket whistling, while the dewdrops fall. So I know not who can be knocking at all. লেখক বা ৰাইটাৰ হ'ল ৱাল্টাৰ ডি লা মাৰে। এই কবিতাটো তোমালোকে পঢ়িবলৈ যত্ন কৰিবা।